Yeah, so you're seeing this switch, okay? It was that little piece right there. This little piece right here was just sitting inside there, and it was bent, okay? And I can pop it right out of there, you know. And this right here, this red, you know, the toggle right here, evidently when somebody stepped on it or dropped it or something like that, this, you know, power strip, they put it in there backwards. This little hole that is right there, see it? Inside that switch, that makes it so this part just drops down in there. Fits like a little puzzle piece, okay? This drops right down in there, and it's got a little leg on it, you know, that goes down in that hole, and then it helps this, or it pops the switch circuit, you know. It's like this, you know, see that? See that? It trips the circuit, you know. So this red thing was this hole where that slips into, that little leg was over here. So whenever this popped out, this red toggle, somebody popped it back in there and they put it in backwards and they bent this thing. So now I'm going to put it back in there. Let's see if we can see that. My needle nose are magnetized. I'm trying to do this so the camera can see it too at the same time. So this just drops down in there like so. Wait a minute. I missed it. I don't know if I can do it with my knife or not. Because my needle nose are magnetized, dang it. And it keeps picking it up, so I'm going to have to hold it down in there. Somehow. Alright, here I go. Let's see, it's in the off position, so you just got to drop this down in there. Just like this. And then you got to hit that little hole with that little leg. Alright. Oh, I got it. Now watch. Now watch the switch go to work. See that? See that? I fixed it. I am so smart. Now I'm going to put this back together. You can even watch me do that because it's done. Now this just pops back on there and it holds that little piece in place. Just like that. And you just push that back in there. Carefully, mind you. Push that back in. And blammo. We got a fixed switch on a $7 power strip. Look at that.